det är bra. Jag får passa se om jag klarar det. Made it. Hey guys, today it's time to look at the Bergtagen Eco-shell. I'm out here with Albert. You want to say hi?
Blah blah.
He'll get around once he doesn't get any food, so he'll come to it. And yeah, we're gonna go through the specs, a little bit about the material, and yeah, just have an awesome day in the woods. But first, we gotta get some lunch. Let's do it. So you can hold the food. It's pretty warm, so you can warm your hands like that. Pretty smart, right?
Växer man av det här?
Det kan man göra.
Ibland.
Ja, för det mesta skulle jag nog säga. Alright, so let's do a quick run through of the features, starting from the top with the hood. It's pretty far down to be able to cover your face. Really heavy winds. Even good protection from sun. You can close it up and you can tighten it up here on the back as well. It gets really good protection against the wind and snow or anything blowing towards your face. You can also adjust it here from the sides. So once you've done this, when you turn, the hood turns with you, which is really nice. You can really, you don't end up looking into the wall here or the sides, so that's pretty good. Continuing down on the sides here, you have the ventilation openings as well. Easy to grab with the other newer kind of zippers, or you've got gloves on. They're easier to grab onto. If you want to close it up, I think it's easier to do it with this kind of zipper. Look at the front, you got a two-way zipper there as well, so you can open it up from the bottom as well if you need to do that, just to ventilate. You got two chest pockets, same kind of zipper there as well, with a smaller mesh pocket inside on both sides for your cell phone or GPS or whatever you got there. Then you got Velcro tighteners here on the arms as well. And that's pretty much it. There's no pockets on the inside. You can also, of course, regulate how tense you want it to be here in the bottom. If you want it more open to be able to ventilate, or if you want to keep the hot air inside, you can do that as well. And you got a one button down here, bottom as well. That's pretty much it as far as features and specs go. Material wise, I'm just going to step to the side here. We're going to pop it up here. You can see how waterproof it is, what it's made from. All right, on the elbows you can see that it's been reinforced with Coralone, so if you were to bump into rocks or you need to lay down or anything, you got reinforcements here, which is pretty nice to have. A little bit thicker here with this softer material, which is really nice. It's a little bit longer compared to the previous or the cab version, which is pretty nice as well. It's really comfortable here on your chin and your face when you get really cold, so that's really nice. My favorite features with this jacket, number one, I gotta say the material. I love the Eco-shell material. I don't know if it saved my life. It probably did a couple of times. Just the fact that you're able to stay dry in all kinds of environments and all kinds of weathers is, yeah, it's priceless. Second thing, beside the material, I would say the hood. Really great feature as well. They really thought it through in a brilliant way. The fact that you're able to adapt it depending on what situation you're in, and just able to really get in and close in when it's really hammering at you, just to be able to get like just a little bit away from that. It's really good once you're in that type of situation. You're just able to think clearly for a little bit, and it might not sound that important, but once you're in that situation, it's so important to just be able to take a step back, literally inside, just be like, okay, where are we gonna go, what are we gonna do? Really important, and really appreciate that feature. Third thing I'd say is the vents here on the sides. They're really good as well. You always get warm once you start moving, and it's just so nice to be able to adapt and open up, and just if you gotta reach in and get something, that's really cool as well to be able to do that. And of course the ventilation itself. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, be sure to subscribe. Let me know if there's any special feature of this jacket or anything that you're wondering about that you would like to see. Just give me a heads up in the comment section down below. Like I mentioned, this jacket is going with me on the next adventure. We're going up north, so yeah, be sure to tune in to that adventure if we do make it back this time with better results than previous attempts. Yeah, we're on Instagram or on Facebook, so if you want to follow me there, you can do that as well. I do minor posts there, or do post there every once in a while, so you can check us out there as well. Albert, you ready to go? You need to go to the bathroom? Good thing I did bring toilet paper. I guess we're going home. Want to say bye? No, you cannot go to the bathroom right now. You want to say bye? Yeah, well, it doesn't help if you slow things down. You can just say goodbye. Du sa hej då. All right, thank you. You're awesome, as always. Great hiking with kids. You gotta love it. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Take care. There's a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. We're, when I checked before today, I think we're like 70 subscribers away. So, yeah, with the pace, by the time that this video comes out, we are ready for the giveaway, I think, or we should be. So at 5,000 subscribers, I'm giving away the Fjällkniven S1, or the forest knife from a Swedish brand named Fjällkniven. A really cool knife. I'll be sure to do a review on this knife on the giveaway video. But yeah, we are almost at 5,000, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, more about that later though. Just yeah, we're really close, so stay tuned for that video too. See you. Can't talk anymore. See you there. Take care, guys.